guys, so switch the place and now I can put it. So let me quickly put the movie on now again. No, the internet! No, this isn't fair, guys. No, now we can't watch a movie. Dang it. Oh, girls, we can't watch a movie. I'm so sorry, sweetie. Oh, the tornado and the thunderstorm is making it the connection. So, looks like we're gonna have to sit here. Or go downstairs and be in danger. And I'm not doing that. And we can't have a fun activity because my foot feels like it's broken. How sore it is. And I'm not... Guys, are you hearing what I'm hearing? There's water? Oh no. Guys, this is not good. I did not think this day will end like this. Gosh, guys. Even Abby's scared. Look at her. Abby. I'm holding her so tight because she's so scared. She is bivering. She's bivering. Guys, she is shaking. Like, I'm not lying. She's shaking. See that, guys? She's shaking. Yeah, something to eat. Finally. Girls, they're scared. Like, Abby is still shaking. Like, guys, Abby is shaking. Poor sweetie. And Isabella is sleeping. She passed out, guys. She's sleeping passed out. Poor Isabella. Wait, is she even sleeping? Isabella? Isabella? Okay, are you sleeping? Yes. Okay, go back to sleep. I just want to see if you're sleeping or are you dead? Well, now we have nothing to do. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. These chips are damn good. Bye, guys. I'll update you guys. So, yeah. But anyways, bye, guys.